Hiya, I'm your refrigerator man.
No.
I'm your refrigerator man. I got a call about 10 minutes ago. My name's Ernesto. I'm your refrigerator man. I've come so I can hopefully repair your refrigerator and make all the necessary changes to the pickles and the ketchup that I can.
No, my refrigerator's run just fine.
Okay. Well, you have a nice day, Joe.
Yeah, you too.
Oh, God. I got the refrigerator. Let's see what we got here. Milk. This milk is delicious. This thing right here is pretty appetizing. Let's see. What's this here? I got some whipped heavy cream. Grandma's finest. Yeah. Big old ketchup. Yeah, it's good.
I love this show. I need something to eat.
Got the one here. Huh? Oh,
Yo, man, what are you doing in my house? I told you to get out of here. I don't need no refrigerator fixing.
it clearly shit her. You got Razzie salsa here. Also got some, a can of Pepsi. Got a good mixture. Well, right now, your refrigerator, that's alright. Pretty low, but my stand's pretty high. Hot Pockets. Hot. I've seen some pretty nasty Hot Pockets back. Are you kidding me?
No, I'm not joking.
You got one Hot Pocket in a box that clearly says 2 free cheese and chicken quesadilla. Can you read this back to me? Let's see. Yeah. Carrots. That's good. Keep up your stamina. I don't even want an anise. You freeze an apple?
No. Yeah.
What's wrong with you? You got some sort of problem? You don't freeze apples. You eat them. Maybe there's some water on them. I never heard you freeze an apple. Wait a minute. I smell something.
What?
I smell refrigerator. Wait. You got a refrigerator right here? You got another refrigerator?
No, sir.
You trying to play me?
No, refrigerator. Whoa!
What is this?
Man, watch the door.
What is this? There's another refrigerator. Oh! What are you doing? What is it? You got wine everywhere. You got pink cup. Pink. Huh? I don't even want to know.
You gonna leave now, or what are you gonna do?
Just as I suspected. Low sodium bacon.
Yeah.
I told the guys down at the station about this. You'll be locked up 3 or 4 years. What do you got here? What's this thing? Better not be what I think it is. Frozen, just like I thought. It's frozen. Frozen.
Is that not good?
I don't even know, man. What is this?
Like applesauce.
It's applesauce.
That's my applesauce.
You froze applesauce.
It's grandma's applesauce.
I got you. Scrabble. Lean, mean, light machine, raffle.
Yeah.
I'll take some of this.
Take some of this.
Can I have it?
Go ahead.
Yeah.
I don't like it that much.
Raffle's good. You know what? I've seen enough here.
Is that it?
Alright. I'm ready to go. Refrigerator, let's go. Keep up the good work.
Yeah, thanks.
I want to come here again.
No.
2 weeks.
No.
2 weeks. Standard post checkout, make sure it'll up and running. And I do not want to see that frozen applesauce in there again. If I do that, you know,
Yeah.
catastrophe.
Uh-huh.
I've seen that before. And people die with that.
Not good? No.
Nah, not good. Not good.
I
Not good.
believe you, man.
Not good. Alright, cell phone. Good Daddy.
Yeah, you too.
Down, 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 down,